The big news coming in, landslide at the famous Kanakadurga temple in Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh. Several boulders rolled down, crushing a shed at Sri Kanakadurga temple on Indra Kiladri Hills, creating panic among devotees. Few suspected to be trapped under debris even as we speak. The incident just before the scheduled visit of Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy at the hill shrine. Rescue and relief efforts are currently underway. Remember, the Andhra-Telangana region have been receiving torrential rains, heavy rains, causing inundation in several areas. Now, a landslide has been reported at the famous Kanakadurga temple in Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh. Several boulders have already rolled down, crushing a shed at the Sri Kanakadurga temple on Indra Kiladri Hills, creating panic among devotees. Ashish Pandey joining us live for more details on that. Ashish, even as we speak, we understand there are people trapped under debris. In fact, this comes just ahead of the scheduled visit of Chief Minister Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy at the hill shrine. How did this happen? Was this anticipated?
So, like you mentioned, Nabila, rains are happening in Andhra Pradesh, and Vijayawada Krishna districts also receiving severe to heavy rainfall. And that led to weakening of structure at this Kanakadurga temple premises, and a landslide occurred just a few hours before. And now rescue and relief operations are on. Collector Krishna as well as CP Vijayawada, all the senior officials are at present at the landslide spot. Relief and rescue operations are at full swing. So far, 5 constables who were present at the site for CM security, they received minor injury. They have been rushed to hospital. Now, administration suspect few might be trapped under the debris. So, removal of debris and rescue of all those trapped people are on in Nabila.
Right, Ashish, thank you very much for joining us. We understand that some people could be trapped in debris even as we speak. Here are the visuals coming in of the landslide that's occurred at a temple shrine in Andhra Pradesh, just a little ahead of Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy's visit at the spot.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.